Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Uber account. So let's get started. So to create a Uber account, first of all you have to download and install your Uber application. So just open up your Play Store and then do that. And after installing your Uber application, you just have to open your Uber app. After opening up your Uber app, now you just have to tap on Get Started, which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on Get Started, now you have to enter your mobile number, or you can just continue with your Google, with your Apple ID, or with your Facebook, or you can just tap on continue with email. So I would like to do that. And after doing that, now what you can do is just enter your email address. After entering your email address, just tap on next, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on next, now you will receive a 4-digit code in your email address. You just have to enter that 4-digit code. So just open up your email and just copy this code and then come back to your Uber page and then enter that code that you have just received. And now you have to enter a mobile number. So if you want to enter your mobile number, you can do that, or you can just tap on skip. And after entering your mobile number, now what you can do is just enter your first name and then enter your surname. After entering your first name and surname, just tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on next, now it will ask you, are your age is above 18? So if it is, you just have to check this option and say I agree with every terms and reviews, privacy notifications, and then tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on next, here you can see you have successfully created your Uber account. So that's it guys, this is how to create your Uber account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.